Another triangular prism. So you have to understand here that this is a triangular prism because the base is a triangle. Remember, the base occurs twice in an object. So this triangle is at the front and it's at the back behind over here. So this thing is a triangular prism because the shape that occurs twice throughout the object is a triangle. The total area, so those triangles, there's two of them. There's one on the front and one on the back. 2 times 1/2 base times height for a triangle. So the base and height are at a right angle, which is right there. So 7 times 24. So the two triangles. And then there are 3 rectangles. There's the rectangle at the bottom, right there. And that is 24 by 32. 24 by 32. Notice the 32 is up here, but that would also be 32 there. Plus, we have the rectangle in the back right here, and it is 7 by 32. Plus, we have the rectangle at the top of the thing up there, and that is 25 by 32. So 25 times 32. So we'll multiply all those together and add them up. So that became 168 plus 768 plus 224 plus 800, which all adds to 1,960. And our label is centimeters. So that would be centimeters squared, because this is surface area measured in squares. Or you can say square centimeters. The volume is, again, the area of the base, which, remember, the base is the triangle because it occurs throughout the object. It occurs twice, in the front there and the back. So the area of the base, which is a triangle, area of a triangle is 1/2 its base times its height, which is 7 times 24, or 24 times 7. The area of the base times the height. Now, the height of a prism is the distance between the two bases. And the distance between the two bases is right there, which sits up there. So area of the base of the prism times the height, 32. Multiply all that together and you get 2,688 centimeters cubed, or cubic centimeters.